Hello everybody. Right, been to Iceland today. Don't usually shop at Iceland, but I've been there today. This one I want to do so it basically cooks itself because I want to put my Christmas tree up in the living room. So I've got to get it in the loft. So let me show you what we're going to do. Right, this is everything I got from Iceland. Not me condiments there. I got me some diced pork, some diced beef, some diced lamb. Yes, pork, beef and lamb. Some mixed veg, diced onions, and I've got some cathedral cheesy mash. Right, it's all going to go in the Instant Pot. And I'm going to do like a mixed meat stew thing all together. I thought these were three for a tenner. Right, that's what it said. So I got the three because I thought 3 for a tenner, I might as well get them. But I don't know why I realised I had to pay separate. I didn't realise at this time at the shop. Otherwise I wouldn't have got the lamb. That was $4.50 on its own. So they charged me $3.50, $3.50, $4.50. I didn't realise at the time, but it's my mistake. I say, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to brown all the meat up first in the Instant Pot. Right, I've got me Instant Pot, pressure cooker, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to open that up. The first thing I want to do, I'm going to put it on saute mode. So I want a little drop of oil in there. Warm it up. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to fry all the meat first. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Let that warm up for a minute. Right, I'm going to start off with the beef. You don't get a lot, do you? What I've got is 350 gram. There's enough for a couple of you there, ain't you? But I say I'm having it all, let's open it up. There you go. I'm going to get it all in. So I'm going to use quite a lot of this meat. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to brown it up, get it out, then I'll put the pork in, then I'll do that, and put the lamb in. So I'll get it all browned first. Right, beef's brown, now I'm doing the pork. It says new on that pork, I don't know whether they're new or not. You'll know more than me, so I never go to Iceland. I'm going to get all the pork in. There's going to be loads of meat in this. I shouldn't be using all this really, but I'm going to. Get all that browned up, pork's done, now on to the lamb. There was a lot of fat in that pork, loads of fat. I have to empty it halfway through. We'll get the lamb in now, we'll get that started off. Give it a mix. You probably can't see that, I'm steaming up. There's not much lamb in there, the lamb's disintegrating. I'm going to get that out. I don't think that's worth $4.50. Not much at all. You probably can't see it. Anyway, drain that off. And what I have to do, we're going to get the onions in. Now with onions in a pressure cooker, Instant Pot, whatever you want to call it, they do disintegrate. I was going to buy the normal ones and cut them into big chunks, what I normally do, but this is everything from Iceland. I'm putting a load of onions in there. You'll probably find they'll all disappear. When they start browning, I've got 2 garlic cloves. They're going to go in then. Look at all this meat. Look, see all the fat. Loads of fat on it. Loads of fat on this pork and this lamb. Loads. Right, I'm going to stick the 2 garlic cloves in now. Just fry them up for about 10 seconds, that's all, don't need a lot. Now I've made 350ml vegetable stock. I'm using vegetable stock because I've got different meats, so I've had to remove my phone from the top because it's getting a bit wet. A little bit of brown sugar in there now for the onions. Just a little bit, don't need a lot. Just make sure you don't stick to the bottom of your pan. Right, now I'm going to get all the meat in. A lot of it, look at the state of it. Who's in there? Oh well, it can always be froze. Or go in a pie. Or something can be done with it. You can turn that saute off now. Make sure there's nothing sticking at the bottom. No, everything's fine. I'm going to stick me vegetable stock in. I'm not going to put any tomatoes in it or anything. That was 250 ml, that was. And there, some salt. You can always salt it after again if you need to, or season it when it's virtually done. Pepper. I'm not putting my vegetables in yet because they're only frozen. Oregano. If they was fresh, I'll put too much in there. Never mind. It's all for the taste. Bit of all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, if the vegetables are fresh, you can stick them in. But if they're frozen, I'll do them at the end. I'm going to stick some Worcester sauce in. Worcestershire sauce. Get that in there. There we go. Lid on. Seal it up. Hit the stew button. Eye texture. Start. And there we go. Till that's all done, it's probably take about, I don't know, 50 minutes, 45 minutes. And then it'll go straight to warm, or I can get on with what I'm doing. Right, that's all done now, I think. It's all been keeping warm. So I'm going to open it up. Oh, there it is, looking nice. Oh, smells delicious. Look at all that meat in there. So there's no veg in there in a minute. It's going in a second now. Oh, that smell. Right, frozen veg. Loads of different sorts here. Got, what we got? Baby carrots, green beans, peas, cauliflower florets. There you go. I'm going to put all that in. Not all of it, obviously. I'm putting all that in there. Give that a stir first. We'll have a look. I'm going to stick a little bit more in. A little bit more. Because there's loads of meat in there, so now I just have to pick the peas out. We're making a full batch, so I might as well make a full batch. Give it a stir, and I want to put it on saute mode. Eye texture. We'll start that. We'll let that bubble away for a bit. And while that's doing, like Cathedral City cheesy mash. I've never had this before myself. This ain't new. That ain't new, is it? That ain't new. Nowhere near new. So how do we cook it? Follow the instructions. Remove required amount from the package. Place in a microwavable dish. Cover with film. Prepare several times. Cook for 3 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of water or milk. Stir and cook for another 2 minutes. So it's 5 minutes altogether for each one. Okay, let's open that up then. We've got a bowl. Probably need a couple of bowls actually. What I'm thinking I'm going to do. There it is, Cathedral City. I don't know how much some of this will do, to be honest with you. But we'll have a look. Whoops. What? I've got to cover that anyway. Covered. A couple of holes in it, it said. There we go. 3 minutes in the microwave. going to get it out. It looks okay. It smells okay. Ugh. Boiling up, look at that. Ooh. Bubbling, sizzling. Any good? Sorry about the wire. I've got my phone on charge, everything's dying. First impressions, just like a cottage pie, innit? Shepherd's pie. That's all, innit? Right, I'm going to let it cool down. We'll dish it up and we'll have a taste. There's not a lot more I can do. Right, I'm up at the table. My phone's playing up, I don't know if it's got a bit wet. Let me show you. There we go. First impressions, the mash doesn't look too bad. The meat, it looks a bit like pulled, doesn't it? It's all disintegrated. But I think that's probably because it's the frozen stuff, innit? Bab's eating hers, I don't know what she thinks of it. What do you think of it, Bab?
It's nice.
Is it nice? Took me about an hour to do them Christmas lights. Bloody things. Let's have a crack anyway. Let's try it. There's the paprika mash. That's nice, that mash, isn't it? The Cathedral City. That's quite nice. Expensive though, I think it's £3.50 for that. And it didn't do a lot.
Gosh. That is expensive.
It's nice though.
Don't want vegetables being in this because I can't taste them.
Yeah, it's done in the Instant Pot, so probably all mushy. Let's try some meat. Let's have a crack at a bit of meat. Looks a bit like pulled, isn't it? Look, it's all fell apart, look. It's very stringy as well, isn't it?
It's very look, not, yeah.
Stringy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think I'm too keen on that meat.
No, I'm not. It's not horrible.
It reminds me a lot like vegetarian meat. You know, the texture. It does actually.
Yeah. What meat is it?
Well, I've got pork, beef and lamb all in one.
Can't taste it.
You can't, can you?
No.
So we can get a big chunk if there's any big chunks anywhere.
I've got a big chunk of
That's pork. Is it pork?
That's beef.
Yeah, it's just all disintegrated, isn't it? You might as well just do shepherd's pie, mightn't you? Or cottage pie. Look. Oh, well.
It's still tasty.
It's tasty, but I don't like the texture of the meat.
No, I don't either.
It looks really stringy. It's sticking in my back of my throat. Is it with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sticking in the back of my throat when I'm trying to swallow it. I think I'll stick to the normal meat in future. I just thought I'd try it.
Where did you get it from?
Iceland.
Was it expensive?
Well, it's supposed to be free for a tenner, but it wasn't.
Wasn't it?
We'll have them next week, as I said. 3 for a tenner. And it had beef, pork and lamb. But it weren't. The lamb obviously was with something else, but it said mix and match, but it wasn't.
It wasn't. That's a bit naughty.
So, and because I didn't have my reading glasses on, I probably didn't read the little print bit.
Yeah, but that's a bit naughty. It's got a big sign saying 3 for whatever it was. That's a bit naughty if it was all different prices.
So I think they charged me proper price.
Yeah, I don't like it when they do things
No,
like
I
that.
don't either. You should have put it in a separate
Yeah, in a separate
freezer
bit.
bit. Yeah.
Not mix it up, mix and match, but what do you mix and match
Yeah.
with?
Especially me, because you know me, I can't see a bloody thing without my glasses.
Yeah, no, but sometimes you know, you can do that yourselves.
Do what?
Like,
Oh yeah, just pick it up. You say 3 for 10.
it says 3 for 10,
So it's 3 for 10, mix and match.
Mix and
so I
match,
went bang, bang, bang. They was all next to each other.
but you've got to tell you the charge is different, so I think that's a bit naughty.
I didn't realise till I was at the back gate. Then I thought, hold on a minute. I'm about £4 over. Too late then.
I wouldn't pay.
£3 over or something.
I wouldn't pay £10 for 3 bags of this again. I'm not
no,
going
I
to. I wouldn't. I'd rather you just use the mince from.
Well, I can go.
Aldi or
You can go up Aldi and buy some chicken, and buy some beef, and buy some pork for about the same price.
Yeah.
The stewing ones, like, you know what I mean? The diced ones and that.
No, I don't think.
Couldn't you?
I don't think I'd pay £10 for the meat.
No.
But it wasn't £10, obviously.
Yeah.
It was £4
Yeah.
over.
Well, there we go. Anyway,
But
it's not the best, is it? It's all right.
No, it's all right. Quite like it.
They've got the mash is nice. I'm not too keen on that meat. There's a bit of beef there. Found a piece.
No, it's very. Even the beef's very stringy. It's got a weird texture.
Yeah, I'm not enjoying it, to be honest with you.
The meat
I'm ashamed. I thought a nice, something warm
It is.
for the.
I like.
If it weren't for that mash, it'd be rubbish, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It would, wouldn't it? If it weren't for that mash, it'd be rubbish.
Yeah.
But there you go, honest opinion. I think it's rubbish. You've ate all yours, though, haven't you?
Yeah. I'm not gonna not eat it.
Yeah.
It's not.
I'm not enjoying it at all.
It's not
not at all.
disgusting, but it's not the best.
It's the texture of the meat that's putting me off.
Yeah, that's. Yeah.
It really is.
I have to find some mashed potato to swallow it all.
I might as
with.
well just bought some mince, mightn't I? And just mince a potato pie or something.
Maybe try it again with some of the different meat from Aldi or something.
Yeah. Well, there we go anyway. I tried. Never mind. As I say, I am the old food guy. I wouldn't try that. Waste of time. Let me know if you've had that frozen meat, what do you think of it? Because I did look at the packet and it says fry it first in obviously a fryer. And then put it in the oven for like 2.5 hours. So it's supposed to be like a slow cook job. So we shouldn't do that really, should it?
No. But what I was going to say, I would not try. I wouldn't say don't try recipe. Try recipe, but try it with some different.
Well,
meat.
yeah.
It
Yeah,
would be
don't,
better.
yeah, use some
Don't
better
use
meat.
this meat 'cause
Better
it's
meat.
It's not a horrible dinner.
No, the dinner's nice. It's just the texture of the meat.
Weird texture.
But that's putting me right off.
Yeah.
Anyway, there we go. As I say, I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. I forced myself to eat it. Might as well. Bye.